All right, as you can see, Cloudflare has gone down. Okay, what does this mean? That, well, we have ChatGPT, for example, which isn't working, and some people can't access Canva. There are tons of services currently not functioning, which means we won't be able to use them until we get further updates. Just so you understand, Cloudflare is used by around 80% of all websites. At least they use it as a service, right? So we're seeing a massive outage right now because Cloudflare is working intermittently, okay? I mean, there are moments when it works and others when it doesn't, but nothing to do except wait until it starts working again. We've seen this before with different outages from other platforms in the same sector. The truth is, I think the only one that hasn't gone down completely is Google Cloud, which hasn't crashed yet, but that's it. Just so you know, it's a simple error and, well, we just have to wait.